YouTubers, Chelsea here with Chell Bell Travels. Sorry, I've been absent and I haven't posted the last vlog from the Bahama Cruise series. My Adobe Premiere Elements decided to crash and I have been trying to fix it and have not been able to, so I had to edit this video on my Microsoft editing software, which just comes with the computer, which is not ideal, but it got done. So I hope you really enjoy this last day on our adventure. We took this cruise at the beginning of February before COVID hit, so we got really lucky with that, and were able to travel a little bit right before we weren't able to travel anymore. But this is our time in Little Havana in Miami. When we got off the MSC Cruise, we decided to spend our partial, I think we had like 5 hours before we had to be at the airport to fly back home. And we spent it in Little Havana, which was awesome. We just went around to various restaurants and bars and tried drinks and food, and it was just a really nice day. And I highly recommend visiting Little Havana if you are in the Miami area. And I hope you really enjoy this video. Have fun, explore life. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is Cubaocho. It is a art gallery, performing arts place, restaurant, bar. It's really cool on the inside. I really like the decor. We had a couple of mojitos. It was their spin on the mojito. It was very delicious, and I highly recommend visiting here. I'm sure it's very touristy. At a certain point, we got there super early, so we were the only ones sitting at the bar. There was this really cute car with gelato in it outside of the first restaurant we went to, so I grabbed me a scoop and we walked to some shops. Ball and chain, all in all, the drinks were good. The appetizers we had were really good. It was just very loud and very touristy, and it was pretty pricey. I think it'd be fun to go to on a night out, but during the day, maybe skip it. But I would definitely go at night. I would like to see what the atmosphere is there. We walked through Domino Park. There were some really cool tiles on the ground and this really pretty ornate wall. I didn't really film too much of the people playing dominoes because I thought it might be rude and they were in the middle of their day playing dominoes, but it was a really cool little central park for playing dominoes. It was very artsy and I highly recommend visiting. Got empanadas and croquettes at a pub restaurant. We got a spinach empanada and a carne empanada. So the spinach empanada is mixed with queso. It kind of tastes like cream cheese though. Like it's really light but thick. It's really good. The croquette. What do you suppose is inside that? I have no clue what's inside that. And we're already back at the airport. See you later, Miami.
And just like we started, your back still fly free. Hello from Southwestern Line. All right, there you go. That one was free. The next one will cost you $100.
Yoo!
If you've taken large electronic devices out, go ahead and make sure those are powered down instead for landing as well. If you've got carry-on items or anything, make sure that area near your feet is clear.
Now I can scratch off the Bahamas. I hope you enjoyed our few hours in Little Havana. I know we did. Can't wait to go back to Miami and actually see more of the sights and maybe go to South Beach, but we didn't have time to do everything. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Always remember, have fun and explore life.